New TS Mine Rinsewise, featuring a 4-tank system for holding clean fresh water, rinse water, spin dry, and dirty water. Add clean water to rinse your mop, just like a washing machine. While spinning dry, it continuously provides fresh water for your rinsing needs. The dirty water and clean water are completely separated, ensuring no cross-contamination. Its microfiber cleans floors better than traditional mops, eliminating secondary pollution. Enjoy fresh water with every rinse. Yes, you've discovered it, and it can also be used like a traditional mop. Simply fill the 2 tanks with clean water and rinse your mop in one of them. During the spin cycle, the water flows back into the tank, ready to be reused. When you need the efficient clean and separate function, put the rinse tank back. And once again, you have the new Rinsewise mop. TS Mine Rinsewise Spin Mop. Intelligent cleaning, dedicated to your needs. Get yours today.